So good afternoon everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and this is my next video on effective study. Let's start with an example. Suppose we are studying a topic which is based on inclined plane and a mass problem. Suppose there is a fixed inclined plane which is having an inclination theta, and a certain mass m is kept over here, and suppose the coefficient of friction is mu, and we have to analyze that under what condition it will remain stuck, it will move or not move. So let's analyze the mechanisms for that. So here the mechanism is that there is a component of force in vertically along the plane in downward direction, which is mg sin theta, and there is a certain component mg cos theta along normal to the plane. So obviously the plank is fixed, so it has to be counterbalanced by the normal reaction. So these forces will cancel out, and the net force on the block will be mg sin theta, because of which the block will have a tendency to move down. Now here the friction comes into play. So friction will try to oppose the relative motion, and whether this block will move or not move depends on the magnitudes of friction and mg sin theta. If friction is greater than or equal to mg sin theta, then block will not move, and we take friction at the extreme points at the moment where it is just about to begin, and at that limit the friction is the limiting friction, which is equals to mu times normal reaction. So the condition is that mu1 should be greater than or equal to mg sin theta. Normal reaction is mg cos theta, as we have calculated in the previous step. So this should be greater than mg sin theta. So mg will get cancelled out, so we get mu greater than or equal to tan theta. So this is the condition for which block will not move, and obviously the condition for moving will be mu less than tan theta. So these are the concepts which we have fetched from this. Now see how PYQs have come on this concept. Let's see the PYQs. So here is a PYQ question number 7, which says that a rocket is fired vertically from surface